SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So when I'm looking at SERV Robotics, it's actually in a prime demand area. That means that I'm definitely looking for a buy here. Now, just for context, all I'm using is a strategy that's previously that I've personally tested 26,000 times on my YouTube channel. So almost speaking, just experience, something that I've personally been through, and I'm not doing nothing that I'm not saying nothing that I'm not doing, you know. So there's a whole premise here. The only case in which I would really start to take it higher here, I mean, I already shows you, it needs to give me that Y curve accumulation, which I already explained, just a double break that I want to see. And simply that, I mean, I'm just simplifying the process because you're going to look at ST, blah, 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 but now I'm not looking at that thing anymore. But still, if the price gives me that double break, then I'll take it higher. Now, why is it like that? Because something that I've seen success with over the last thousands of times, you know. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.